Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make good banana bread. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan now. Gather very ripe bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking soda, and salt. Measure ingredients precisely and have a mixing bowl ready. Mash bananas to your preferred texture and set aside. This quick overview gets you organized so baking goes smoothly and confidently. Start by creaming softened butter with sugar until light, then beat in eggs one at a time for structure and richness. Stir in mashed bananas and vanilla, keeping the mixture smooth but not overmixed. Combine flour, baking soda, and salt separately, then fold them in gently to preserve tenderness. Fold in nuts or chocolate chips last so they stay distinct. These mixing steps prevent toughness and deliver consistent moist. Place the loaf in the center of a preheated 350 degrees F oven and bake for 50 to 65 minutes, testing with a toothpick that comes out clean or with few crumbs. Let the bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before removing to a wire rack to finish cooling to avoid sogginess. Slice after cooling and store wrapped at room temperature for up to 3 days, or freeze slices for longer keeping.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.